Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm about to do an unboxing. Again, I have a lot of boxes, so if you're not into that, you're free to click out at any point. I have a new setup. If I have officially reached that YouTube level where I'm like shooting in front of a like shiny background, but this is where we're at. Okay, so I got the Target Beauty Box because one, boredom. Two, I have time. Three, I actually like these types of boxes. I think they're great gifts. I think they're just a great way to treat yourself. And honestly, like the Target box was only $5, but there was a cartwheel offer making it 25% off. So I ended up paying like $3 for it. Comes with, again, it's a beauty box. I personally like them, so we're going to open them together. This is the Beauty Box by Target. It tells you what's on the back. Okay, so first they gave me a facial sheet mask, a deep conditioning protein pack, which is always helpful. They gave me probiotics and prebiotic gummies and deodorant, native coconut vanilla. Ooh, this is about to be popping. Like I love all of those things. Like sign me the fuck up. Ooh, I'm really feeling the setup. So if you see me like just looking into the camera, just know that like I'm living for the sparkles in the back. So it just comes with a card. Again, it comes with what they put in the back of the box. Again, if you download the Target app, please just check these offers because they're just so cute. I've given away so many as like Christmas or birthday gifts because bitches love beauty boxes. Like, get on board. So these probiotics, okay, I'm slowly getting onto the wave of probiotics and prebiotics because I'm getting a little old and my digestion is some type of way. But yeah, these are cute. Hopefully my mom doesn't steal it from me because she is not secretly, she's kind of a thief. These, I love Miss Spa. Also, again, download the Target app. If there's ever a cartwheel deal, literally just stack up on these face masks. Bitches love face masks. Like, get with it. You feel me? Oh, we got the Palmer protein pack, and it's coconut oil. Y'all, this leaves my natural hair so buttery smooth. Like, come on, this is so cute. We stand. Oh, okay. And they gave me this little native deodorant. Like I said, came in coconut and vanilla, which are like, ooh. Shit smells good as fuck. Okay, Target. I normally use Dove, so, you know, it's okay. And, oh, would y'all look at that? Coupons. Okay, we are couponing queens over here. We love a good deal. We love saving money. This is much I love spending money. I like saving money. You know, like what? Okay, I got $1 off any Palmer coconut oil. They gave me a save $3 off any of the Up for probiotics. Okay, yes. I recommend this box. I think it's super cute. You get coupons, you're getting bang for your buck. You're getting a bunch of Target brands. Like, what more could you want? Like 5 out of 5. I support this. I was lukewarm about that Babe box, but this right here, this shit right here, 5 out of 5. They did that. I love me some Target. Get you a beauty box, okay? All right, enjoy your day.